Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you the two functions in Excel, that is to row and to call, so that is to column. So these are new functions in Excel. So to row will change an array to in form of a row, and then to call will change an array in form of a row to a column. It works the same way as transposing. So let us start with to row. So here you enter is equal to row, then first bracket, then you select the array in a column, so Control Shift down arrow, then Control backspace to go up, then close bracket. So this will give us this column in form of a row, so enter. So that gives you in form of a row. So the active cell is this one, so that is C2, so others are faded out, as you can see. So let us see how we can use the other function, that is to call. So now this array in form of a row, we want to change it to a column. So you simply enter is equal to call, first bracket, so select the array which is in form of a row, then close the bracket, and then enter. So that transposes it to a column. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next video where I will show you the new Excel functions.